Good morning, guys. So it's 7 a.m. and I picked up a day shift of doing telemetry. So right now I'm just doing my strips. I got some breakfast from the cafeteria down there. I actually hate working day shift, but I had something to do tonight, so
working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us.
Alright, so I just got off of work. It's 7:08 and I am not in a good mood. I'm very peeved off because today I was accused of not doing my job. So let me tell you guys what happened. I was doing the 3 o'clock strips and a patient who is AFib, who normally runs uncontrolled AFib, hit the 130s for like 3 minutes at most, and their heart rate went back down. So if I'm doing strips, of course I didn't see it, because like on our screens, like if it hits 130, it doesn't ring out as like an alarm. It will flash blue just to like say, hey, it's in the 130s. But if I'm doing strips, of course I'm not going to see that. So this aide, not to bash any aides if you're an aide that watches my videos, but anyway, I just feel like let's stay in our lane, okay? This aide was taking vitals and he runs and tells the nurse that the patient is running in the 130s. So the nurse runs in the tele room, the monitor room or whatever, and asked me, she's like, what's going on with this patient? And I was like, what are you talking about? Like, I just kind of feel like the aide should have said, hey, I noticed this person's heart rate was in the 130s. Did you tell the nurse, or should I? Like, I just feel like we should be working together, not against each other. Anyway, so I tell them, like, they're not in the 130s. Their heart is sitting at 100. Like, they're fine. Like, what's going on? So no later than 5 minutes later, the freaking charge nurse comes up to me and goes, you need to stay off your phone and do your job. And I'm like, what are you talking about? And she was like, what happened, you know, just a couple minutes ago? And I was like, a couple of minutes ago, I was doing the strips. Like, I was doing my job. Like, what are you talking about? And this is why it's like, I have a love for telemetry, but like working in the hospital, I hate working in the hospital because it's always some drama. Someone's always trying to get you in trouble. This is the stuff that's just like, you know what? I can't wait till I graduate so I can get a better paying job and I can get up out of here, because these hoes got me messed up. I feel a little better that I'm talking about it, but I'm still very much so, oh, the lighting. Sorry guys, I was driving through the freaking parking garage. But anyway, I kind of feel better that I'm talking about it, because I really was about to like pop off. Like, I'm not even joking, because like one thing I don't play about is my character and my work ethic. Like, you are never gonna sit here and try to tell me like I don't do my job, like when I do. Like, what? And you know what, I'm gonna let it go. I'm just gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it slide, because I'm gonna just let it slide. But anyway, I'm going to Walmart, so maybe that will make me feel better, me buying something for myself, and I'll take you guys in there with me. So I'll see y'all in Walmart.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Manor house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the flash, I'm in a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is babe, not I don't even know what that's about. Watching my baby got an ego talk the size of the.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit what I got from Walmart. I want to do a try on haul, so I'm not going to show you guys too much, but I got these slacks. So freaking cute. I love the color. Oh my gosh, like I am in love with these. This is like what the bottoms look like. They're kind of like joggers, but like dressy, and they're like the satin material. I did end up getting that leather skirt, guys. Like, this is so freaking fire. Then I got a cup. Y'all know, matches my aesthetic, but I just need this for my tea because I just want some like smaller for my tea. I needed a journal for things that I can write like my YouTube ideas in, because I really got to get organized, and some sheets. That's it. I will see you guys at Kroger. So I'm in the grocery store, Kroger to be exact. I just stopped by after church because I needed some fruit. I'm gonna show y'all. So I got some grapefruit, limes, lemons, some peaches, and apples. I don't really need anything else. I'm kind of just looking around. I might buy a steak and make that tonight, but who knows? I forgot my mask. We don't have a mask mandate anymore, but I still like to wear my mask just in case.
But you can't